Hello everyone, this is Parzone4 here, back again with another episode of the 100 Babies Challenge. Please load, yes. So I fixed everything and I basically organized everything, and yes, there's some room chest. I don't really need this one over here, but this one's our food chest. Actually, I had some stuff in the oven. Yeah. There's food chest, there's the breeding and all the stuff that happens with our 100 animals, and then there's our equipment, random stuff, an empty chest, saddles, you guys know that, a plant chest, monster drops, wood, and then mining items. Yeah, there's been a problem outside, and I wanted to deal with it with you guys. I mean, I purposely did it, but there is also one thing. There are no more birthdays for animals, because that's too much work for me, and if we're having that many animals, no. I didn't breed none of the bunnies because I just didn't want to, but it's getting super glitchy because we have too many animals here, way too many. So it doesn't matter if they have a name or not. Oh my gosh. Don't kill the babies. Oh, I thought I heard a hiss. Just as long as there are, 2 more left, it doesn't matter. Yeah, here's Lucky. I'll try my best not to kill Lucky. I think we'll just leave that off from there, We'll hop in here, shove all this meat in there, all this hide. Now let's deal with the chickens. Let's just run around here a bit and pick up some eggs. I do like to have a big population of chickens because they lay eggs, and also I gave up because we've been having our animals die with names, have their birthdays on there. We actually lost Fluffy Jr. and Woolly Jr. They both actually just vanished, but we do still have Pursley. We're gonna kill a couple more chickens. See, the feathers somehow got out of the cage or respawned or something along that lines. So he's missing. Whoa. Okay. And I think we only have milkweed in here. We might have. Oh, I just hit milkshakes. Yep, we have milkshakes. If we hit her one more time, she's dead. So we gotta be careful about that. What are you doing in here? Yeah, and we'll just leave off there. There's a big hole there. I don't know why. We'll fix it up later though. This is gonna bother me. Okay, and now we'll hop into here. I think we still have, oh, bacon! Oh, I'm sorry about that, guys, but that's just how it works. There's no coming back from that. I don't really care if they have names right now or not. I mean, yeah, there'll be like the occasional time where I'll get really attached to a certain pig and maybe want to name that pig. Pork. See, we'll have so much meat. So much. Almost. I'm not in the mood of really killing sheep, but I mean, why not? Kill some. We'll just kill off some of these white ones. We'll leave that white one. There's gray babies everywhere. There's also another two white babies that can replace this guy. We still have Paisley here. I like Paisley, I'm not kidding, so I don't really want her to die. But yeah, I think that's all we're gonna do. And then we're just gonna leave. But yeah, I found a couple of stray Roman sheep around, so I just picked them up. Let's go grab some cookies and go and check out what we're supposed to be doing today. Whoops, grabbed a salmon fish by accident. Guess I'll keep it on me. It can just feed me later. We are going to pick 2 new breeded pair. We're also going to take 3 saddles because I think, and we also lost number 18, so we have to deal with that. The next baby is going to be number 18, and we're going to head to bed before we head over there. Whoops, can't get into the door. We gotta wait a bit though. Okay, maybe now? No. There. Let's go check out what we're supposed to be doing this episode. We need to make a trail to here. I think that's what I'll add. Make trails. Because on the birthday ones, I just added nothing. So when I do come up with plans, I'll just add them to the nothings. So complete. So today we're gonna breed some new horses because that used to be nothing. So then a house update, then a new dog, then a mine transporter. Here's the next nothing. Make trails. Some of this building stuff, like house update, I'm definitely gonna do off camera, but I'll show you guys that that's what's like we're gonna be like enjoying that episode. Minecart transporter, I'm gonna do off camera because that's just gonna take forever running around trying to get all that stuff. It's gonna be like a really long episode because we're gonna make like a minecart that goes around everywhere so that we don't have to run everywhere. Have a party. Yeah, then we have a whole bunch of nothings over here because if you guys remember, we had like just a whole bunch of birthdays over here. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna breed some new horses today, which we are going to go and do immediately. Come here, Lily. Lily, my girl. Can this still? No, thank goodness. Okay, these things should be growing up now. You guys had to sit here for a while. Oh, you guys not? Okay, I need to go on the other side over there. Just spawn over there. I'll just like take one of these grass blocks. I don't know. And I'll quickly hop over. So, because you guys are... it is. I can't mount you guys when you guys are... Okay. Why do breeded horses always take the slow trait? I don't know if this guy is actually big enough. No, you can't hop over there, Vegas. You're not even big enough yet. Anywho, I am going to grab your brothers and move them. Oh, I'm so sorry, Zelda. No, please. Come here, Phoenix. I'm so sorry, I keep hitting you guys. It's an accident, I swear. Will he wander away because he has nobody to follow? Let's hope so. Okay, we gotta wait for him to grow up but meanwhile, we're gonna be picking the next pair. So Cosmo already bred, Tater Tot already bred, Gills, he's still kind of young. Peter, I think we're gonna breed Peter. Actually, we have enough white horses. We're gonna just get more white horses if we breed them. We'll go Logan. Or, I don't know. Who are you? Mike? Oh, we're gonna go this one. Even though this guy's a little bit young. But we're gonna go Moby and Happy. Yeah, Moby and Happy are gonna breed. Oh, you liked your bed? I made them beds. Oh, Lily's always waiting over here for me. She knows that I'll need a ride. Thank you, Lily. I do need Happy now. Sorry, talented jumping horses. Are you old enough now? What are you doing? You're old enough now. Oh, you're gonna move this horse out and then we can breed those horses a couple times. There. Now we can just hop on in here. Shore radish horses. Come on. Oh my gosh, what baby are we gonna get? What it's gonna look like? And oh, it looks just like Mopey. I expect so because they kind of both have like the same color of red. So this one's number 18. I have to go find a name tag for it. All these white horses everywhere. Gosh, we overbred the white horses. Okay, it's a little glitchy, but it can get better. We're probably gonna have to move the horse cage, like when we start getting to big numbers, we're gonna have to start, moving the horse cage further away from our house and like where we play more and all that. Okay, all right, I moved everything. Okay. Gonna do this, oh, I like this name. We're going to go Roxy, number 18, because that's the one that sadly died because it was dumb enough to get out of the nursery. We're gonna breed twice, so we're gonna grab another 2 apples and another name tag. And this one will be, because I think this is number, do we have a number 19? I'd have to go and check before we name it. We need to grab food. Actually, oh, no, not beef, ew. Yeah, we'll just leave that. Okay, we'll run over here to my horses. We overbred the white horses. I'm not gonna lie there. Roxy, number 18. So we have 18. If we can ride around and find 19, because I know, actually, yeah, come over here. I want to see what number you are. 14. Okay, we just need to see if we can find 18. I mean 19. Well, I think we do too to not have 19 yet. So we are going to go and get a 19 name because tomorrow we're going to breed those horses one more time. this episode, we're gonna breed them more. I want to see what mixes we can get. Let me just pick the name out all first before we go ahead and run over to the thing. And it's, oh, okay. It's kind of a babyish name. I got a boo-boo. But yes, we got, oh, hang on, boo-boo number 19. See, just a simple little minecart that could just like stop right there and then we could just get off. And I like the red colors, so that's why I want some of these red horses. Getting in, because I think these are our only 2 red horses. So you two come here. And oh, they made one of these ones. Boo-boo number 19. So 18 and 19. I think we'll just breed these horses one more time next episode. It's usually what we try to go for is like 3 horses or more with each. I like there's like way too many white ones. And they're all of course over here. So I'm gonna like ride this guy over here into the pond. Because I don't really care where he is or where the others are. There's just way too many white horses up gathered around here. So we're just gonna move them. When I used to play Minecraft, I used to make this huge pen. And it was on like a flat area, and I used to start off with 0 horses, and then I'd go around and find those horses that spawned in, and I'd grab 2 that looked the different. And what my plan was to get all of the different breeds of horses, which is really hard. I never was able to complete it, but I did get pretty close. And then there's always like the king horse, and then there's like the queen horse, and then their children who wore the iron and the brown. And then if the king ever died, which I ride it around on the king all the time, if the king ever died, then the queen became like the main ruler. And then if she ever died, then one of their kids would take over. That was whoever was next on the throne. I'm going to put this in there. I'm going to put this in there, or you could put this in there, and that in there, and then that in there. And when you guys come back, I'll just be doing a bunch of fishing. But yeah, we're gonna leave the episode off there, so leave a comment with some name suggestions down below, and leave a like and subscribe. And this is President 4 here and out. Bye.